my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your email, enter your login password, enter your security password, this the invite code, and after filling all the details click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into a website, here you can see this type of announcement from the company. Now you only need to introduce a new member A to join bvtron.com. You can get 12% rebate of your recharge, and this you need to remember that the best way to make money here is not to make money, make your own deposit, but to form your own team and lead the team to make money together. The power of the team is huge and it will bring. So after signing into a website, here you can see 888 USDT from the company. So I click on deposit, withdrawal, VIP, team, app, and this section. And after scrolling down, here you can see base account and promotion account. This is the experience account and financial account. This is the join to a Tron Millionaire. This is the platform data, display accumulated, and membership. This is about the company. Cloud mining offered a potential cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain. So this is the company's global partner: WazirX, CoinDCX, JNS Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, Binance Crypto, Coinbase, Stone. I click on trading section. Here you can see the 16% cloud mining is working. So this is the best part of that. I click on investment cycle. So here you can see I click on daily rate, cycle 5 days, number of purchase, profit, daily interest. I click on this, and here you can see it's loading. So wait. So here you can see the starting amount 0 USDT, maximum this, cycle this, profit type this, number of purchase unlimited, and you can confirm of this, and you can see this. After that I click on sharing section. So here you can see your invite, contact, refer, and earn. You can copy this link. If one of your friend or family register with the link, you will see and you will get a reward. So first of all, copy this link and share with your friends. If one of your friend or family register with the link, you will earn some reward. So start sharing today and earning today. Share with the friends or family and earn this. So this is the best part of that. I click on mine section. Here you can see the mine section. The total balance 888 USDT and deposit and withdrawal. Here you can see. After scrolling down, I click on team section. Here you can see level 1, level 2, level 3 team. Level 1, level 2, level 3 team. So after that I click on finance record section. Here you can see the finance record of the company, all income and gains. This is the investment record. Here you can see transfer to basic. You can transfer basic account into promotion account. Now I click on deposit account. Here you can see this. I copy this address. So wait. After that I click on TRX section. I click on send. Here I fill the address and click on next. Here I click on 8 TRX is sent because 1.1 TRX is list. So wait. So wait. Here you can see. Here you can see transaction is recorded. So you can see my transaction is successfully sent. Now I go back to the website back. So wait. After coming back to a website, I click on recharge completed. After clicking on recharge completed, here you can see this type of interface from the company. So recharge is completed. Within 5 to 10 seconds my balance will be updated. So wait. Here you can see my balance is updated. Here you can see 0.56 USDT is done. So I click on finance record. So here you can see is done. Now I will tell you how to withdraw. So now I click on withdrawal section. Here you can see available withdrawal is this. I click on 1 TRX and here you can enter the password, and here I enter this. So I click on this. I click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, here you can see my withdrawal is successful. So here you can see my withdrawal is successful. I will show you the proof is done. So now I explain only in details. Here you can see this is the sharing section, this is the investing section of the company, this is the trading section of the company, this is the home section of the company. I click on VIP section. Here you can see the VIP level 1 2 3 4 5 6 and deposit quantity, income and VIP level, and you can also download app to that this. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.